Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see who viewed your YouTube video on mobile. All right, let's begin. First, download and install the YouTube Studio app on your mobile device. Once it's installed, open the app and sign into your YouTube channel. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Analytics tab. Scroll through your list of uploaded videos and tap on the specific video you want to check. This will open a detailed overview of that video's performance. Next, swipe over to the Audience tab at the top. From here, scroll down until you find the Geography section. Tap on it to see where your viewers are located. You'll get a list of countries from which your video was watched. While YouTube doesn't allow you to see the exact names of people who viewed your video, this data gives you a helpful insight into your audience. Alongside location, you can also view demographic information like age range and gender ratio of your viewers. This can help you understand who your content is reaching. So that's basically how you can see who viewed your YouTube video on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.